This Sunday in October, wash your feet with this and attract extra money. I am excited to share with you a powerful purification ritual that will help you ward off negative energies and attract abundance. If you're unable to do this ritual on the first or second Sunday of the month, you can also perform it on a Friday to strengthen your connection with positive energy. Welcome to my space. Remember to click on the subscribe button and activate the notification bell because I share helpful videos daily. Without further ado, let's dive into the materials you'll need for this ritual. Materials: enough water to wash your feet, a splash of any type of vinegar, a pinch of table salt, any type of salt you have at home, cinnamon powder, a sprig of rosemary, 1 lemon, a basin large enough to fit your feet. Instructions. Let's begin the ritual with a moment of gratitude. Take some time to reflect on all the positive things in your life. Be thankful for each one, recognizing the abundance that already surrounds you. Now visualize a bright white light descending from the universe, enveloping you completely. This light is pure and healing, eliminating any negative energy you may be holding on to. Next, grab a pot and fill it with enough water to wash your feet. Add a splash of vinegar before bringing it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add a pinch of salt, cinnamon powder, and the sprig of rosemary. Stir the mixture to combine the ingredients. Cut the lemon in half and place it into the pot. Let the mixture boil for 5 minutes, then cover it and let it cool down until it is warm. When the water is cooled to a comfortable temperature, strain the mixture to remove the solid ingredients, leaving only the infused water. Pour this water into the basin, and now it's time to soak your feet. As you immerse your feet in the water, gently move them around, playing with the water. During this process, say a prayer. This could be the Our Father, the Hail Mary, or any prayer you're familiar with. The important thing is to focus on attracting the abundance you desire. You can also repeat the following affirmation. Every day, I feel more magnetic toward money, prosperity, and abundance. I express my desires and needs with clarity. The more I enjoy life, the more income-generating opportunities come my way. The universe supports me and I contribute to the well-being of others. While washing your feet, avoid negative statements like, I don't want. Focus instead on what you truly desire, as the universe interprets our words and thoughts. It's crucial to remain mindful of them. As a sign of faith, write in the comments, I'm surrounded by an abundance of love and light. Jesus Christ said, do not judge. So, if you're feeling down or disappointed in yourself, avoid self-judgment. Instead, focus on expressing your dreams and desires. At the end of the ritual, shake off the water from your feet and allow them to air dry. Be grateful for all the blessings that surround you. In the coming days, you'll notice a shift in your energy that will stay with you throughout the rest of the month. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey. May the light be with you always. I hope this approach fills you with positivity and gratitude. May you have a prosperous month full of blessings. Remember to share this video with your friends and family, as the universe rewards those who spread positive energy. Thank you for supporting this video with a like. I wish you success and prosperity.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.